Hey there, comic friends and fiends. It's Rob here from another great wall of comics. It's a mystery box mail call from eBay. All right, so I got this mystery box from eBay. So first, let's look at. Here's the box. Okay, you can see it's not very big. Everything else here. Now let me read you the description of what this is. Huge lot of 50 plus various Marvel, DC, indie comics. No duplicates, free shipping. Price $16.99. So for $17 for over 50 books, what do I get? That's a question. We're not expecting a lot. We're definitely not expecting bags and boards in that small box. But here's a more deeper description of what we're expecting as we go to open this. So this is from a guy called the Comic Book Garage or Comic Garage, and it says recently purchased a storage unit full of amazing comics. This listing includes books that are from Marvel, DC, and various independent comics, Valiant, Image, Top Cow, blah blah blah. We have not had time to go through this lot, so there may be some hidden gems included. I'm not a professional grader, but the books seem to average very fine. There will be no duplicates in this lot, but I cannot guarantee multiple lots, blah, blah, blah. That's it. That's basically the description. Oh, and it's a random lot, so there's a possibility there could be some adult content books in there. So, what we're about to do is open up a 50-book mystery box. This should be books very fine, and in theory, could have some key books in there, just because they supposedly haven't cherry picked through this lot yet, or if they have, they only cherry picked at a very high level in theory. So let's take a look. For $17 shipped plus tax, what do I get? So we'll open up here first. We do at least have some bubble wrap, a thin layer of bubble wrap. It was shipped media mail, and I don't yeah, they're pretty much raw books. So let me fast forward a second here to get these out of here somewhat without. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's do it the easy way. Let's flip box. All right. And just set the books down. All right, there's a couple that are bagged and boarded. I don't know if that means that those ones are any better than the rest, but we'll take a look and see what we got here. All right. Off the top, we have Harley Quinn, issue 4. This is from Rebirth, so volume 3. This is, looks like, this, I don't know, this cover I don't have. I know that. I have the book, but not that cover. All right, next up, Wolverine #1. I'm not familiar with this particular volume, but Wolverine #1 is generally not a horrible book. And so far, yeah, I mean, there's some. I don't think you're going to get 9/8 out of any of these, but so far these seems pretty good condition so far. Convergence Action Comics. Batman issue 45. Now this one does have some back, but again we're talking about our we're talking about books that average very fine. This is actually the current run. Booster Gold Must Die. It was right before The Wedding. Let's see here. We have an independent from Vertigo, The Unwritten. Wildfire issue 2. Another independent. From Dynamite Uncanny, Part 1. So looks like we're in the independent section after having had some DC and Marvel at the top. Image Comics, Todd the Ugliest Kid on Earth. This is Black Mask Comics or Soul Temple Comics, 12 Reasons to Die, featuring Ghost-Faced Killa. Well, I guess that's a Wu-Tang. We'll give that. I'm sure somebody will want that. All right, here's one that's in it's a bag and a board. I don't. It's labeled as an incentive. Some Uba issue 3. All right. Three. And this issue 4. Here's 3, issue 1. So we definitely have a big block of independence here. Suicide Risk from Boom. 16-bit Zombie. Starlight from Image. Number 1s. I mean, but Sherazad. Isn't this exciting? Secret. We Stand on Guard. All-Time Comics. Issue 0. Uh-oh. Okay, here's another. Here, now we're back into a Marvel for a second. Guardians of the Galaxy 1. So, and Avengers, Secret number 1, or Secret Avengers number 1. Sandman Overture, issue 2. Ultra Comics. I mean, I'm not expecting a lot. $17. This is like, okay, here's another polybag book. Well, this is like a, I think there's 2 books in here polybagged. This is director's cut, but it's this is a DC Pax Americana. I don't know what this. I don't know about this. This is bonus map of the Oh, so it's the book, and then there's a map of the multiverse inside. Interesting. Green Lantern's New Guardians number 1. Captain Atom issue 4. Oh, another bagged and boarded book. This is Slash and Burn, 3 out of 16. Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur. This issue is rough. You can see there's just a wee bit of color rub around there, but whatever. The Unbelievable Gwenpool, issue 16. Deathstroke, issue 2. Miracle Man, book 1. Book of Death. Green Lanterns. Alright, I'll move this closer as we're making our Vamp Blade. Okay. Polybag book. Doom Patrol. Vertigo. Oh, no, it's not a polybag. It's just in a polybag. J. Scott Campbell. Wild Siders. Apparently. I never... Is that... What issue is that? Number 1. We'll see. J. Scott Campbell, sometimes people like that stuff. Doesn't matter what it is. DC Comics. The Green Team. Team Trillion... Or Teen Trillionaires. I've never heard of this. This was a new 52 title. Teen Trillionaires, really? Whatever. There's a sketch cover, Superman Unchained. What was the... Where's it? This is some promo thing of DC Nation. Number 0. Image Comics, issue 2 of Red One. Now this is interesting to me only because, so I am a member of the Sons of the American Revolution, and so to see a comic book called Rebels, I didn't know this existed. So this one I'm actually interested in, and we'll actually probably take a look at it, just because it features revolutionary soldiers on there, and it's history's epic. Something about it's supposed to be talking about the founding of America, so that'll be interesting. Convergence Infinity. Convergence Blue Beetle. You know, I will give this, a lot of these covers, I mean, there's a couple that are messed up, but a lot of these are in really good condition considering they're not bagged and boarded and just thrown in this box like that and were shipped to media mail with just a thin layer of bubble wrap. Sometimes, you know, it's just that density in there and not a lot of movement works together where they all everything aligns. Anyways, this is Run Love Kill, issue 2. Nice. It's an interesting cover. I like the cover. Don't know anything about the book. Psychonauts. Oh, is this the... I don't know if this is the one where... No, it's not. Alright, well. Hey, Convergence, The Question. This would be Renee Montoya's Question, I assume. I don't... DC, The Multiverse, Justice Incarnate. Scooby-Doo Team Up with Yogi Bear. talk about a plague of locusts descending upon eating everything. Here we go. It's independent issue 1. I remember I almost picked this book up when it came out for some reason. Because it's a Dodson. Fighting American, issue 1. That's one. Someone interested in. Oh, hey. I have the 1 in 500 of this. Unfortunately, this one, the corners took some banging, but this book is actually got some value to it. Marvel's Legacies #1. This is the Caseta wraparound cover, so it has then the fold out. So you have this big, huge cover here. It introduces this is the first appearance of the Avengers 1 million BC. So, I mean, not exactly like a crazy team, but it's that's a pretty decent book. At least the 1 in 500 that I have is. This one's. I think this is an incentive. I don't think this was the original. I think this is like a 1 in 25 or something. I'll take a look. Anyways. And last but not least, Scooby-Doo team up with, I don't know who he's teaming up with. It doesn't, Too Many Cooks. Never even heard of that. The Cooks. Whatever. Anyway, so, yeah, we definitely got more independent books than Marvel or DC. On the independent book front count here, I'm just curious. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right, so 27 independents, and then the rest Marvel and DC. Off the top of my head, none of these jump out to me as anything significant other than the Marvel Legacies 1 is the only one off the top of my head that I know of. I'm going to take a look at a couple of them real quick just to be sure. But I don't expect much. I mean, did I get value? Absolutely, only because it's $17 and I could put these out at a garage sale for $0.25 a piece and make my, if I can do math, $12.50. I almost made value there. So if I can get 50 cents to $1 for a few of them, yeah, I made value. What am I going to do with them ultimately? There's a couple in there that, the Superman or something of this stuff that might go as AOKs. I just don't see that, I even want to seed my giveaway bin with too many of these. So a lot of these will probably end up just going to the local shelter or something. Anyways, it was fun for $17. What's worth? I mean, if I had ended up with, any kind of significant or moderate key out of there, it would have been well worth it. And at the end of the day, I had fun opening this box. Until next time, collect what you want. Don't listen to me. Don't do what I do. I'm just a fat man with a fat stack of comics and a fat opinion. Thanks for watching.